Okay guys, welcome back to my channel Shuhur. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, or even you can like or share or comment and everything. So today I'm gonna talk about Suzuki Carry, which is the body code is SK410. So basically is the same engine that have been used in Bedford and also Suzuki Jimny SJ410, but the difference is when they put it inside a Jeep, the engine is a straight engine, but when they put it on a van SK410, it gonna be a slant engine, is a bit slant, so maybe 10 or 15 degrees, something like that different. So when they change the place of, basically is gonna change their manifold. So the gasket you can order is SJ410 F10 engine is definitely the gasket gonna be same, you can order, but the difference thing is SK410 is slant and it has a curve that you're gonna put a plug inside. So difference with the SK410 is basically a straight, but this one I modified because it's not easy to find the gasket. SK410 is not easy to find the gasket. I modified the gasket and cut it to make it easier whenever I wanted to change the spark plug, because it's different compared to this one. So if you using the SJ410 Jimny Jeep, it's gonna be straight, and if you wanted to change the spark plug, you need to open up everything, the manifold or extractor, and take out the gasket, exhaust itself, manifold, gasket, and then you can change the plug, because it blocking, if it's gonna straight, it's gonna block the plug. So it's like this, gonna block the plug, so you need to cut to modify. But when you modify the gasket, there is a risk where is going to have an leakage of the exhaust. So if the car, if we are using the car, is not going to be a problem, because whenever it has a leakage of exhaust or carbon, is not going to enter your car. But the van are different, because the engine is under our seat. So so the carbon and everything is going to inside your car or a van. So this is what I come and modify, but the thing is, it still have a leakage of the exhaust, so it can't do anything. So I try to find this gasket. So as you can see, the gasket is easier. If you wanted to change your spark plug, you don't need to open everything, gasket, manifold and everything, it just slot inside. It's like this, so it's made easier. So I mean, it's a bit cost saving your cost, because if not, you're going to pay a labor a bit expensive, because they need to open everything to change your spark plug. So if you have these kinds of gasket, your labor cost is very cheap. So the foreman doesn't have a lot of works to do. So this is the thing. Make sure when you buy a van, Suzuki Carry or Super Carry or everything, so buy this kind of gasket. Is similar, the shape of this curve is similar to the Suzuki Vitara. So you can say to the spare part shop, I want a gasket of Suzuki Carry SK410. It has a curve same like a Vitara, Suzuki Vitara. So this is the tips that I share for today. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the gasket manifold. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.